What's up, creatives? How are we all doing? Hope you enjoyed that video of me drawing a mandala, and if you like to enjoy mandalas and you want to pick up that book as well, the How to Draw a Mandala book, you can find that in the Amazon store. You will find this very helpful to use if you like to draw your mandalas. Inside, as you saw, are pre-made circles that are specially made throughout the whole book. You don't have to sit there and draw any of them. Just apply your design to this page with a very nice fancy border. So if you want to cut it out after, get a scalpel, just cut along the edge there, and you'll be able to take this page out and then photograph it for your social media. It's littered throughout the whole book with a blank page on the side. So if you don't decide to cut the page out, you can use it on your next project, where you can have the blank page and just do your practice runs of your mandala drawings first, and then you can apply it to this mandala piece here. You can pick this up from the Amazon store. Link is in the description below, and you can follow along to any of my videos where the playlist is also in the description. Follow along or create your own mandala drawings. Pick the book up now. Makes a great gift for Christmas, birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or if anyone, even tattoo artists, or if anyone who likes to draw mandalas, give them this book here. Pick it up now. Link is in the description. Peace out.